recipes and love for DIY. We're currently renovating our fourth home. It's a 1970s fixer-upper, and we recently started a very budget-friendly kitchen makeover, and we'd like to share that process with you. Today I'd like to share how we use the stencil to update our linoleum floors. I'd like to thank Cutting Edge Stencil for collaborating with me on this project. So let's get started. Here's what the linoleum looked like before. As you can see, it was outdated and in much need of a makeover. We gave it one coat of primer and let it dry overnight before giving it 2 coats of white for the base. We chose the Amalfi Tile Stencil from Cutting Edge to do the floors. Cutting Edge sent us 2 extra large stencils, which was super helpful. I highly recommend purchasing 2 stencils if you have someone to help you. My husband Eric measured the center of the room and then laid the stencils while I painted. It made the process go a lot quicker. We also discovered that using the spray adhesive on the back of the stencil in between each use locked in any paint that had gotten on the underneath side, and so that way we didn't have as many touch-ups to do. I will say the edges were more difficult, and I ended up cutting one of the stencils in half toward the end to make it easier to get into the more difficult angles. Once I figured that out, it went much faster. Then I used a small brush to touch up any spots where the paint had seeped under the stencil. When the paint had dried, we sealed it with Varathane's Ultimate Polyurethane in a satin finish. And here they are, all done. We're thrilled with how the floors turned out. I can't wait to see it all come together. Before this makeover is over, we will have touched every surface of this kitchen. So I hope you'll hit that subscribe button and follow along this journey with us. If you'd like to catch up on previous projects that we've completed, you can check them out on the blog at thisfulllife5.com. See you next time.